What's going on, guys? This is Kevin Kev's Hobbies and Adventures, and today we're doing a Panini Playbook box break. We're doing a hanger box and a mega box. We've seen the last video I did. It was quite underwhelming, so let's see if we can have some better luck this time. And here we go. Hanger box first. And we're looking for autos, obviously, and orange hanger box parallel exclusives, and whatever else goodies we can find in there. All right, first card. Rashawn Gary, excuse me. Baker Mayfield. Rob Gronkowski. Ryan Fitzpatrick. Tyrod Taylor. Dwayne Haskins, who may have just luckily got a second chance. Drew Brees, who's most likely retiring. And N'Keal Harry. Melvin Gordon III. Aaron Jones. Aaron Donald. Dak Prescott. Patrick Mahomes. Matthew Stafford. Brandon Cooks. Christian McCaffrey. Jalen Samuels, zoning commissioner. Oh, I thought it was something different. So we got two up next in a row. We have a Jonathan Taylor, very nice hit right here. And a Gabriel Davis. Then we have a Dwayne Haskins blitz. A Lynn Bowden Jr. Adam Troutman. A Jonathan Taylor. Base rookie. Nice hit right there. A Cesar Ruiz rookie card. A Cole Kmet rookie card. Nice hit. Amari Cooper. Orange parallel. Cole Hardman Jr. Orange parallel. Anthony Miller. Who is this? Quintez Cephas. And last but not least, James Morgan. All right, that box is okay. Definitely better than the last hanger box. So let's see if this one beats the other mega box. First pack. D.D. Westbrook. Cooper Kupp. Jonathan Taylor up next. Logan Wilson. Rookie card. And a Desmond Patman rookie card. Carson Wentz. Justin Tucker. Tom Brady. That's not a bad hit. Eno Benjamin again. And KJ Hamler. Adam Thielen. Cortland Sutton. Malcolm Perry. Justin DeGuerra. And Jalen Reagor. Austin Hooper. Gabriel Davis. Jeff Gladney. Zach Moss. And my backwards card is Cam Akers. Nice hit. Not disappointed in that. Got quite a few Cam Akers though. Next up, still a nice looking card though. Well, I hope you guys like this break. If you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. I'll see you guys next video.